so hot and humid. It has been sunny, but then also it started raining, and I have bad news and good news, and always bad news first. So the other day while working, my laptop was very hot and the battery is at 20%, and I forgot if I have the AC on or not, and then when I plug the charging, it suddenly died and I couldn't turn it on, and I brought it to the repair shop and they quote me for 0.5 million or 220 130 euro. So I won't have a laptop for the next week, so I cannot work. It's the year end, it's probably time to reset things, but yeah, that was sucks. The good news is I have some package delivered for me, so let's unbox them together. What? Magnesium glycinate to help with sleeping at night. Something for health. Second one, second package is ta-da! It's a new matcha whisk, because my matcha whisk just need to retire. Looks like that with the spoon, and this, very excited about using this. Next one, kitchen scale. It's in a heart shape. I'm also gonna use this to measure my matcha, because I never measure my matcha. I always eyeball them, and sometimes it's not enough, sometimes it's too much. So look how cute. Oh god. Wait. Ah, it comes with a battery. Cute. Put the battery on. It's working. Isn't this the cutest thing? Let's go make some matcha. As you can see, the chassis is new and it's still curled up. We need to put this in hot water so it will loosen up. I'm gonna put the hot water. I'm gonna put the chassis. I'm gonna leave it for a few minutes. I'm gonna use this spoon because I haven't washed the wooden spoon that we have. That's 2 grams. That's 3. Should I have more? Okay, that is 4 gram. No, it says it's 5 gram. See if this is ready. The bristles are now straight. Poured in hot water in here, but not hot. I think I need more water. Ice cube. Or matcha. Enjoy. I had lunch with a friend that I haven't seen in 10 years today, and we went to eat babi guling, which is a traditional Balinese pig suckling, and their tondes, which is like fried banana kind of snack, Indonesian snack. It's very sinful because this is so oily and fried, but you know, once in a while you gotta indulge in the thing and enjoy life. So my matcha. It's New Year's Eve and I'm going to celebrate it with some of my friends. We're going to a restaurant by the beach, so let's go with me. Good morning. It's the second day of the year. Right now I'm heading to Senor to surf with some of my friends. I haven't surfed in such a long time, so let's see how it's gonna be. Made it to the beach. I'm at Senor Beach. It's an hour drive from my place to here. That's a long drive. My friends are there surfing. I think I'm just gonna stay here, chill. Chicken Thai rendang. Eggplant tempe. Cassava leaf. Dodo banana mix.
Lifted me up when I couldn't reach.
I've just been reunited with my dog, Casey. She's gained so much weight. This one. Now, let's go and make her bed. This thing just refused to make it bright. Okay, so we have here her bed that is washed, and we're gonna put the baby up. Show bed. Look at that diva. Oh god.
Not going according to plan. Some things I just want.
It's 13th of January. The year didn't start according to plan because my laptop was broken just before New Year, and it's taking so long to fix, and it has kind of halted my plan for the New Year so much. And also for the first week of the New Year, I've been spending so many time with friends. I'm here in Bali. I didn't go back to my hometown. I have a New Year countdown with friends, and then lunch the next day, and then I'm meeting another friend that's visiting from Jakarta. Have a lot of catch up, and the next day there's another friend who are also visiting, and we haven't catch up in a long time. So it's been really nice to just connect with friends as well. Yeah, I've been now trying to make up the year, and I'm a little bit in a place of like, what do I do with my life, or which I should focus on, and I'm having such a hard time. So many things changing and happening, and I'm just not very sure. So yeah, we'll see how it will pan out. But let's make some matcha.
Not going according to plan. Some things I just want to understand. Never controlling the ways I've been molding, folding up time in your hand. I wouldn't be surprised if the daylight breaks and you can't stay. You got plans.
Good morning. Let's have some breakfast.
It would still be enough for me. It would.
The weather is good now after like a week of non-stop rain in the afternoon. Today I think it's one of the very first day, but we have sun all day and I think the sunset's gonna be good. And I haven't brought my dog Casey to the beach at all since we got back. So I think I'm going to the beach for sunset, but the tide is high today. So there's not gonna be a lot of space for her to run around. So I don't know, should I go? Should I go or should I stay? By the way, this lighting, is it working or is it not? Let me ask the dog in question. Girl, do you want to go to the beach today? Should we go to the beach? Or should we just go to the rice fields? Do you feel like running around? I don't know. I don't think she's excited to go to the beach. Are you excited to go to the beach? So we have a choice to go to the beach or to go to the rice fields. Which one would you choose? Where? Before I change my mind. Are you sleepy? I think she's sleepy. If you watched all the way till the end, thank you so much. I'm Jennifer. I live in Bali with my dog Casey. And if you want to see more of us, in Bali, you want to see more sunset, you want to see more matcha, you can subscribe to this channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram at Jeniffer Priscilla. And I am a photographer here in Bali. I love doing portraits and lifestyle shoots. So if you're coming to Bali and you want to book a session with me, you can message me on my photography account, Prism and Muses, and I will also link everything down below so that you can just click them. I have more videos coming up, so see you on the next one.